Welcome guys back to another unboxing. Today we're checking out this Snorkel swimming set. So we're just gonna unbox this and show you guys what you get. Alright, so in the box we got the fins, the snorkel, it looks like some goggles. You got this carrying mesh bag as well. So let's open this up and see all that is inside. Alright, so you got your goggles. So full-fledged goggles. My hair's gonna be horrible.
Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video.
So goggles are adjustable. You have your feet fins. Little manual in there. So these are your fins, and they're simple, basic. You have the little strap for adjusting on the sides here. You know, pretty nice. Seem to be a good quality. Now you have your snorkel for breathing. So this is it. Obviously. So when you breathe out, it blows through here. When you breathe in, it pulls from the top. And it looks like this can be, let's see. Okay, that's just a strap for, okay. So yeah, flexible. So, you know, if you get caught or if it gets bent, you can still breathe. Overall, guys, it's a nice kit.